गया है। आंटी मैं तेरे से बात घर से बाहर निकली हूँ।
Leave me alone, please leave me alone.
और
Are you an independent woman?
I am an independent woman who sometimes need a guy to pamper me, okay? Hello, I am finally free of COVID and I'm actually going to get ready and I'm going on a date today. Stay tuned, let's go on a date. Oh my god, I'm so excited! So before I get ready, the weather is so nice. Let me show you. On my Instagram story if I should wear this or should I wear that. People have chosen the purple one, so I'm gonna wear the purple one. Let's do it. I don't know about you guys, but istri might be one of those tasks that I really hate. Like मुझे I think किसी और चीज़ से इतनी नफरत नहीं है जितनी मुझे इस्त्री करने से है, but फिर भी करनी पड़ती है कभी कभार। वो जाके oh my god, ये switch ही उतर गया है। मैं लिखी हूँ रगड़ने। Why am I so hyper? I think I tested negative. I am over with COVID. So it's like I am hyper. So take a look at my face. This is how I look before makeup. Now let's do my makeup. This is after my makeup. अब बहुत ज़्यादा makeup नहीं किया मैंने, but I feel pretty, so that's more important. I put on a little bit of purple eyeshadow with a little bit of shimmer on the middle, and then I put on a nude lipstick and a little bit of concealer and blush on. So बहुत ज़्यादा makeup नहीं है, but ये है कि जो किया है it makes me feel pretty, and that's more important, guys. Let's arise. Let's do the accessories. This is what I'm wearing. I paired it up with a belt right here, and I'm gonna wear tights underneath it, and I'm gonna wear high heels because why not? I feel really pretty in this, but let's see what the whole look looks like. So my mom made me change the scarf, so I'm now wearing one of the dupattas changed into a hijab. I've also changed the heels. Let me show you. In order to match the scarf that I was wearing before, I had to change the heels as well. So I'm wearing these suede block heels. They are by pata nahi koi random sa brand, I'm not sure, but they are one of the most favorite heels that I have. They're totally going with the hijab now, so I'm actually really happy with it. I'm going to show you how I look. Are you ready? Are you ready? Are you excited to see my date? I am excited to see my date. It's been what? More than a month since I haven't left the house. So needless to say, I am so excited that I can't even wait. इसलिए मैं बाहर पोर्च में बैठी हूँ, मैं अंदर भी नहीं बैठी हूँ, पोर्च में बैठी हूँ इंतज़ार। I am walking out the door. It's actually really exciting. Ready? Oh my god, my date is here! Hi! Oh my god! You guys thought I'm a ladka in my life? Seriously? Forever alone, bro. Forever alone. Hey, what are we doing today? Oh my god!
We're gonna go pick Maru.
Oh my god, double date! Threesome! I probably but I'm so excited, I'm outside! I'm outside! I'm outside! मेरा कोरोना ठीक हो गया। सारे लोग मुझे पागल समझते हैं। ठहरो, मुझे जिंदगी एंजॉय करने दो, मुझे आंटी को बताने दो कि मेरा कोरोना ठीक हो गया है। आंटी मैं तेरे से बात घर से बाहर निकली हूँ।
Auntie's just staring at you.
Auntie's just like, what the fuck, bro? We are here to pick up our other friend. Oh my god, मैं आ क्यों बाहर? सब क्या मतलब है, महीने से ज्यादा हो गया। मारो मुझे तंग मत करो, मैं आजाद हो गई हूँ, मैं एक आजाद पंछी हूँ। और
Are you an independent woman?
I am an independent woman who sometimes need a guy to pamper me, okay? I don't have a guy to
Corona
pamper
does
me.
not have a control over you now?
Corona does not control me. Corona प्यार है।
You see my hand? Now I can move it till here.
Stop it, मारो। यार तुमने क्या कितने कौन सी वाली ये उंगली थी?
ये दोनों।
ये उंगली तोड़ दी थी इस बच्ची ने हमारी। और क्या दिखा रही हूँ?
मेरा बाजू।
उसका मैं हाथ दिखा रही हूँ। और ये सीढ़ियों से गिर के इसने उंगली तोड़ दी थी, खुद से पहने हुए थे। एंड ये बच्ची बहुत बहुत बड़ा हैजर्ड है, कुछ ना कुछ होता ही रहता है। कड़क चलते हैं, बहुत ज्यादा भूख है।
कोरोना में खाना नहीं खाया
मैंने ये देखो जरा, जनरल की बहू आई है, तुम गरीबों ने खाना नहीं खाया।
मैंने गरीबों ने, मैंने बोला कोरोना में खाना नहीं खाया।
अच्छा मैं
चेक करा रहा हूँ।
मेरी वाली आँख पे 3414 एक और भी आ चुके हैं। We've sat, we've talked, and now we're gonna drop off Maruf. And उसके बाद फिर हम क्या करेंगे हमारी remaining date पे? What are we gonna do? We'll see. Oh my God!
Leave me alone, please.
Leave me alone.